Hello everybody. Paano kapag meron tayong mga air pollution source installation gaya ng genset, gaya ng mga fuel storage tank, o anumang ah, equipment na exempted for permit to operate? Kadalasan wala namang ginagawa talaga. Sa ibang regional office, pagka wala ka naman talagang APSI o air pollution source installation or exempted ka sa permitting requirement nito, wala talaga gagawin. Pero meron po mga ibang offices na hinahanapan ka like sort of certification or affidavit na talagang exempted ka for permitting. At ginagamit yun for other purposes like sa registration as a hazardous waste generator. Pero again, may ibang mga opisina na kung wala ka naman talagang APSI or exempted ka for permitting requirement, wala ka talagang gagawin. Yun lang. So, what if hinahanapan ka ng certification o affidavit na talagang exempted ka for permit to operate? So, base kasi sa Memorandum Circular 2020-17. Ano po ba itong EMB Memorandum Circular 2020-17? Guidelines on the issuance of permit to operate for air pollution source installation, APSI, or equipment, APSE, through the Online Permitting and Monitoring System, or OPMS, dated May 11, 2020. Sa dulo po nito, yung ating Annex C, meron po ditong listahan, itong Annex C na to. These are the air pollution source installation exempted for permit to operate or not required to secure PTO. So example dito yung ating generator set na ang capacity ay 1 to 15 kilowatts, exempted na siya for permitting. Kagaya din itong fuel storage tank. Um, Kapag ito ay less than 1 cubic meter, exempted na rin for permit to operate. So kapag ganyan ang situation na sa mga iba't ibang opisina tayo na ikipagtransact, kung hihingan kayo ng certification or affidavit for the purpose or for other purposes like registration as waste generator, pwede nating gamitin itong example na ito. Again, this is not a prescribed template. Minsan kasi hindi alam ng PCO saan magsisimula. So I am giving example. So halimbawa dito, meron tayong date, um, May 7, 2025. Of course, your company letterhead. The name of the regional director, for example, Mr. Robert Angelo Metin, siya ang regional director ng EMB Region 4A. So sa Region 4A, kung exempted ka for permit to operate, pag magre-register ka as a hazardous waste generator, hanapan ka ng mga affidavit or certification for other purposes yung registration as waste generator. Sa ibang mga regional offices, wala namang hinihingi. No? So comply lang tayo. Sa ibang regional office, kung hihingan kayo, at least meron lang tayong pattern. Again, this is not a prescribed template. Office address, 4th floor, PITX Tower 2, Barangay Tambo, Parañaque City. Then subject, certification for APSI exempted for permit to operate. Dear Director Metin, so ito yung content na nitong certification. This is to certify that halimbawa anong name ng establishment. Halimbawa ABC Laboratory located at Halimbawa, Barangay Alangilan, Batangas City, Batangas. Yeah, ito yung name ng establishment at yung location. Sabi dito, operates an air pollution source installation, which is or are listed in the APSI exempted for permit to operate per AMB Memorandum Circular 2020-17 Annex C. So ano ba yung naka-install dyan pero exempted naman for permitting. So sinecertify na lang. So, halimbawa yung name of APSI, halimbawa standby generator set 10 kilowatts Cummins. Sorry. 10 kilowatts Cummins. Yeah. So kung meron ka pang ibang air pollution source installation, pwede nating ilista yan dito. Total of 1 unit. Then this certification was issued upon request of halimbawa po Mr. Jeric Picasso for whatever purposes it may serve. Attached here is the copy of EMB Memorandum Circular 2020-17 Annex C. So meron tayong pwedeng i-attach na patunay lang na mai-exempt tayo sa permitting. So, for example, dito naman, very truly yours, ang nagsasalita na dito yung managing head. Let's say, Mr. Peter S. Pan. Date signed, for example, May 7, 2025. So, saan nito kadalasan pinapasa? Kapag nagre-register kasi tayo as hazardous waste generator, nahanapan tayo ng permit to operate. Pero dahil nga exempted na tayo for permitting, so hindi tayo nag-a-apply. Pero nagbibigay tayo ng some sort of affidavit of or certification para lang maging secondary uh, requirement natin para masabing exempted tayo. Meron tayong equivalent document. Pero sa ibang regional office, ulitin natin, hindi naman hinahanapan ng certification, hindi naman hinahanapan ng affidavit. So may mga pagkakataon lamang. So in case na hanapan kayo, you have this pattern, this example, try nyong gamitin. So I hope may natutunan kayo sa sample template ng certification for APSI exempted for permit to operate. Ang iba naman kasi ang hinahanap is affidavit, hindi sa certification. So, yung affidavit naman, syempre, duly notarized yun. Pinapa-notaryo yun at yun na rin ang pinapasa sa registration as a hazardous waste generator. So parang ganun lang, mayroon tayong affidavit na exempted for permitting requirements under RA 8749 and applicable memorandum gaya ng Memorandum Circular 2020-17. Ano sabi dito? For example lang, based on our records, the ABC Company Inc. operates 5 kVA diesel engine generator set which is listed in the APSI exempted for permit to operate per EMB-MC 2020-17. I am executing this affidavit of APSI exemption for permit to operate in compliance with the requirements of the DNR EMB kung anong region for the hazardous waste generator registration. So pipirman naman nga ng managing head at ipapanotaryo. So dalawa, pwedeng pagpilian natin itong affidavit or yung ating certification. So kung tanggapin yung certification natin, edi okay na yon. Kung affidavit ang hanapin, edi affidavit yung ipasa natin. Duly notarized. So I hope may natutunan po tayo at magamit nyo sa inyong pag-function as PCO. at maging compliant tayo sa requirements ng major environmental laws gaya nitong RA 8749 or Philippine Clean Air Act in its implementing rules and regulation. Maraming salamat, and if you want to know more about sample templates, sample registration forms, permitting, reporting, compliance, please subscribe to this channel, please follow, please share this video, at matuto tayong lahat. Maraming salamat at mabuhay po tayo. Thank you po. God bless us all.